Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your email address for your Linktree account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change the email address. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see your username right here. Simply click on it and this thing will pop up. From here, what you guys have to do is simply go to My Account. Click on it right now. Once you're in this page, as you can see, this is the My Account section. From here, you can change your name, the email address and many other things. But right now, what you guys have to do is simply click on this email address button right here. Click on it and from here, simply enter your new email address. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you have entered your new email address, simply hit on Save Details. And guys, that is it. As you can see, as soon as you click on Save Details, your email address will be updated. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we change your email address in Linktree. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.